Yo, this is heavy here. I don't look like Misfit. See, the beach is that way. You know, like, do I look really buff? The cusp. This is big. I want to be a bodybuilder. I want to, like, get the, like, sexy triceps, sexy little flap, buddy. So, I'm too sexy for my, I'm going bodybuilder. Macho man. I wanna be a macho man. Come on, train me. I want, get my little health done. I don't want no more, like, it's like, like, damn cold cuts. See, I can't. Do I like buff enough? So it's that training, cause the beach is that way. The sexy man. This is fit. Train me. Do I look good? Put him up. I look like a puny wing. You're like puny bird. I want to live up to the name heavy hitter. So, Mrs. Fit, man, train me. You're totally awesome, little girl. Like, you come with me. We're gonna do like pump on, yeah. Like, work it. So, yeah. Do I look scared? Yeah, I look like Bang's little brother, but, his sissy little brother. So, Mrs. Fit, train me so I can be buff today.